Welcome everybody. In this new video we will learn today how to build pockets, so to drill a pocket in the wall in order to house this array of beams. So this is the section, and our first step will be then in here in the plan to start thinking about a reference plane. So in here, reference plane, it's a line which represent then a three-dimensional plane where we can sketch. It's a kind of sheet of paper. Now I click on this box and I name it as RP minus west. So this is now named my reference plane, and I can then sketch in the section model in place component. I will draw using a family wall category. We'll just write wall in here minus pocket and click OK. Now, considering the fact that I want to create a void, I need to click on void extrusion, and I will draw in my reference plane that I need to select here, specify a new work plane, RP West. Okay, and I will use section 2 here exactly, and I will open the view that is this one. Now in here I will use rectangle in order to sketch one pocket, and I can click it. You see, it's one, and I can then subtract from the main volume the secondary volume, and now you can see it's done. The value that was set as depth was 100, and once done 1, I will then repeat once more for the rest of them. So it's a lot, but it's not time consuming then. So component, model in place, and take walls. So I will use another name then. Now, walls minus pocket 2. Click OK. Same procedure. Set my reference plane as west, so I can draw in two-dimensional plane, and I will then click on my void form, select it, and now you can see in the 3D at your right that there was a representation of the plane where I'm sketching in now. So now that you have this rectangle, you can copy it, constraint and multiple. We will do multiple copy of it, and you can see on the right that I'm copying even the 3D. Now copying every of each of them, and it will act as just one object at the end when I will subtract it from the host. The host is our wall, and this is a modifier that subtracts a space, a volume from it. So finish edit mode, and now they are selected. You can see them, and I click on it. You see the depth is 100, and I use again cut geometry, first the host and then the volume, and the whole bunch of them are now cut away from our wall. Now you know, thanks to this video, how to cut pockets in a wall. And remember to subscribe our channel of Callisto Network, and see you in the next video then. Bye.